In this video, I'll show you the top 4 ways to eat a chicken wing. I have scoured the entire internet, and in this video, I have put together 4 of the most popular ways to eat a chicken wing flat. Once you know how, impress your friends with this and you'll be known as the cool one. Stay tuned and I'll show you the 4 ways next. First, we need to note that on a chicken wing, there is a thicker bone end and a pointier bone end, as seen here. I'll be referring to this on these methods. The first way is called the pusher. On the pointier side, there may be a small little cartilage. I like to remove that as that's the side you'll be eating from. Face the wing pointier side down, holding the thicker end at the top, and now pinch it and push down. Dip into your favorite sauce, and now you can eat the loosened meat and skin in one easy bite, with nothing left on the bone. Again, pinch it and push down. The second way is called the bite off. Remove any cartilage on the pointier side, as that's the side you'll be eating from. And from that, it helps if the two bones are loose, not jointed together. Dip the pointier side into your favorite sauce. Now you're going to take a bite at the end, then pull it out while your teeth is scraping out all that chicken meat. Now you're left with just 2 bones. The third way is called the one bone out. Remove any cartilage on the pointier side. You're going to hold the wing like a game controller, as if you're playing Game Station. Now holding the end bones and twist forward and back until you notice the smaller bone will start to loosen. Pull and twist the smaller bone out. Now there's just one larger bone left in the chicken. Hold the thicker end, dip the pointier end into your sauce, and now bite off all that chicken and meat from that one bone. And the fourth way is called the all bones out. Again, hold it like you're holding a Game Station controller and twist the ends back and forth. The smaller bone will start to loosen. Slowly twist the bone out. And while holding the meat and skin, then slowly twist the larger bone out. And don't forget to remove any cartilage on the ends. And now you're left with a chicken wing with all bones out. Dip in your favorite sauce and enjoy the whole piece without any bones. So that's the 4 top ways I found on how to best eat a chicken wing flat. So to recap, you can either do the pusher, the bite off, the one bone out, or the all bones out. And remember, remove the cartilage out first if you don't want to be taking it out of your mouth while chewing. Try these out and let me know which is your favorite way to eat a chicken wing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.